Whew. Very cold. Minus, yeah, minus 19 degree. Maybe for 30 minutes. I have been flying this drone, DJI Mini 4 Pro. So I just want to take it from trunk and talk about this. This is really amazing drone. I was planning to buy this drone for maybe 1 year, over 1 year, even much earlier, but specific for DJI Mini 4 Pro. I was waiting that Mini 5 Pro is coming and then this will get cheaper. So it exactly happened like that. And yeah, I have been playing this for maybe 2 months. I'm not expert, of course. I just want to tell my opinion for people like me, like amateur and wants to buy drone the first time. This is my first drone in my life. As you may know that I have been doing more than wildlife photography for 5 years, and the idea that also I'm doing some nature photography or videography just for hobby, and the idea that I want to have drone is I want to use drone footage, mostly the videos for my YouTube videos, like translation videos and those kind of stuffs and different angle. I'm not so interested about the flying drone. Like, yeah, it's amazing technology, or I like already many technology stuff, but some people just want to fly it. They enjoy it, like fly 2 or 3 kilometers away or much more. And some people like it, but for me it is most like the amazing thing that the camera. I mean, not the camera itself, it is the basic camera, and it's not even a great camera, but having the camera on different angle, very high, very low, back, anywhere you want, like, okay, maximum 120 meter in EU most likely because of the regulations, but I mean, if you do some videography with your digital camera and any camera in your hand, so you have always like, okay, you have zoom lenses and wide angle lenses, but you are always on your high level. So having opportunity to take a video from really high, like really far, whenever you want in nature. So for example, now I'm nearby the lake, a quite big lake, at least for drone footage. So I have been flying over the lake, and it is now winter time, but it is too cold. You cannot be outside for a long time, like a few days ago. Uh, Now I have still pain on my finger while using the drone. My finger was out of the gloves to use the controller, so it got almost frozen. Now today here is open wide area, so I was able to fly in my car. It's very luxury flying drone from the car, but yeah, I mean, it's amazing view, nature, snow. I really enjoy. It is worth to buy it. For me, at least, it was worth to buy. Now it is minus 19 degree, and a few days ago I flew the drone like 2 or 3 times in this weather, and minus 20 degree I saw while flying the drone, and I made also video about that. Yep, very very cold winter day. Now there is a lot of snow and it's time to fly drone. Maybe my first day with the drone after this much snow, and it is extremely cold, minus 20, and I'm really curious to see drone's performance. So I choose a little bit easy location, open field. I try to fly it over the field, and I will try to record myself in the car. Yeah, I'm really curious to see how long time battery will perform. Take off. So low voltage. Yeah, I just landed it, critical low battery and 5% left, and check what time is it. Yeah, I think 22 minutes. Yeah, actually in the car it was open for a while, and when I started to fly the battery was 95%, so landed and the 5% left. So maybe 25 minutes we can say, but very risky to fly it under 20%. At least should not be far from you, and because it is really very cold and you cannot really like expect the battery performance so well. So I think 20-25 minutes minus 20 degree now what we can expect. And also just keep in mind that I was keeping the batteries like warm in the car, and yeah. Whew. This is the drone after 20 minutes. And yeah, it is still okay. I mean, in this weather situation, it is still okay. I'm looking forward to have a bit warmer weather, and also in summer. And already, if you are interested to buy drone, you have already checked all the specs. I don't want to talk about the specs, but first thing I want to mention, if you do videography, now it is winter and really dark, but there is so much snow, so it brings some brightness. So if you buy this drone for videography like me, then you should definitely buy ND filter. Otherwise, you have to put shutter speed very high, 1/400 something like that. But then footage doesn't look cinematic. And yeah, I want to mention negative thing about this drone. Or it's not only about this drone specifically, it's mostly about DJI products. Now I record myself for maybe 1 year with DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is my first DJI product, and this is the second one. They are amazing technology, I love them, but they are not so durable. I mean, how to say, okay, this is like cheap drone, you are not waiting so high quality something already, premium quality, but they easily break. I mean, they are so plastic, they are not like digital camera. Digital camera also breaks, of course, but they are more durable. Like a few months ago, I just dropped my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and the lens uh, glass broken, and then I need to fix it. And now today also, I don't know where DJI drop it, but there is a pad plastic on the joystick on DJI Osmo Pocket. It is missing. It is not there. I don't know where is it. It's impossible to find. Probably before here, I was on another place in the forest. So, and this also. Now I don't know how it has happened, but propeller here, it is it is broken, like almost broken. It's not focusing now, but probably it happened in my hand while folding it. I don't know, but I'm sure this will break. So, well, I already made DJI Care. I bought it because I know I will break it. I'm so careful while while fly it. I don't need to fly it so like so close to trees. Already, I'm taking like wide nature videos. So I don't take risk, but I'm sure it somehow it will break. I know that. My recommendation about the drone, uh, if it is possible, and if you're gonna make money from this kind of videos, or if you are professional, and if you can find two of them really cheap, or one more, if you have already, then I would recommend that buy two, because it can easily break. And batteries also, you can buy. Even now I have battery pack, three batteries, but it is not very cold, like 15-20 minutes, okay, 20-25 minutes, but it is still so less. Yeah, I would say if you have money, buy definitely two of these. Because well, I don't know in what kind of scenario, like I will. Yeah, well, now it is dark. It could be better to have better. It could be better to have bigger camera sensor, like Mini 5. But I don't think I will see so big difference. Or yeah, it could be amazing to have it also, but I don't know, is it worth that much money? Now almost there was 500-600 euros difference between this and the new one, because it just released and it's not on sale. So if you are amateur, this is much more than you need. Mini 4 Pro, it's amazing, and I would really recommend that if you have money, buy two of them. I'm sure you can use them for a long time. Yes, these are my words about the drone. Yeah, I should fold it before break. But yeah, it is amazing. If you don't have any drone, if it's gonna be your first one, definitely go for it. And amateur like me, and definitely you don't need Mini 5 Pro. And there are now Mini 4 Pro is much cheaper. Yes, I hope you enjoy my drone footage. And yep, thanks for watching. See you later.